Since I have a lot of scrap fabric, I enjoy making covers for my gadget. Just measure the gadget and cut up fabric as needed. Then piece it together enough to cover your gadget. My favorite part is sandwiching the pieced fabric together with batting and some backing fabric. I've amassed a lot of pins to stabilize my project. I usually just stitch in the ditch, but this time I decided to add horizontal lines. Clean it up and of course, set aside any scraps. My gadget is a round mini air purifier, so I made a round bottom for the base. Sandwich it again with batting and backing fabric and sew around the circle by leaving a gap. Clean up the sides, and I usually save the small batting for filling. Flip the base and close the gap. Sew the edge of the main cover together and then make sure your gadget actually fits. Then combine the base and the cover if it actually fits. Flip it around and then close it with binding. Your cover is finished.